Wow, Sir Joel, pinoproject sa TV ang kanyang phone. Do you want to know how to do this? Madali lang yan. How to cast from mobile phone screen to your smart TV. First, turn on your mobile phone and your smart TV. And then, turn on the Wi-Fi button on your phone. Also, turn on the auto-rotate. Tap the settings button and search for wireless projection. Click it and enable it. This will make you search for a device that can do the wireless projection for you, such as the Samsung Smart TV issued by DepEd. Click Start Now as soon as the device come up. You will see the connecting process on your TV screen. Click Allow to proceed. And there you go. Your phone is being projected on your smart TV. You can now open your PowerPoint presentation that you have saved in your phone so that you can start your lesson. That is very easy and very convenient. Rotate your phone for better orientation. Now, you can have your PowerPoint presentation even if you don't have your laptop. Additional info lamang po. In other mobile phone, you are going to use the term wireless projection. In other mobile units, this is called screen mirroring. For Oppo devices, this is Screencast. Just also remember that this is only compatible with smart TVs. For TVs that aren't smart, we have another solution for that. I'll share it with you on the next tutorial.